What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back. We've been gone for a minute, but we back in the jump now. It's like, nah, all right. But seriously, big updates. The M5, gone. Deadzo. We added a X7 to the channel, a 2025 X5 M Comp to the channel, as well as a 2023 BMW M4 Competition X Drive to the channel. In this video, we're gonna go over what I went through to get this car, as well as all the mods I put on this car in 1 week. Literally, 1 week. It might be a work week or 7 days. This is shot before the video, but don't worry about that. 1 week, all the mods, M4, let's get it. I can't reach.
So yes, that says BMW of Ann Arbor. And yes, that is in Michigan. So yes, I rented a rental car and drove 10 hours one way to get this car. And yes, there's snow on the ground. And yes, the M4 is on summer tire. So as you can imagine, we wasted no time. I signed the paperwork and we got up out of there. This was about 1 o'clock p.m. and Michigan was expecting more snow by 3 o'clock p.m. I could not stand getting stuck in summer tire on the road on a 10-hour trip. We had to go.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So we finally made it back to Maryland after 12 hours back due to the snow. But we finally pulled up to my homeboy's Frank's house and we're going to drop the G80. As you can see, it sits like a monster truck from a factory, but he has two himself, so I trust him fully. So let's drop this bad boy. And just like that, we are all done. The G80 is sitting beautiful, beautiful, way better than factory. And be mindful, this is going to settle. So it's going to get a little bit lower over the next day or two. So for day 2, we pulled up to No Swirls Garage located in Laurel, Maryland. Today, we're gonna take care of some major goodies that's gonna change the look of this entire front end of this car.
Hey, listen, so we are here with my boy Trent. He hooked me up. So he has this beautiful G82 as well. And he was so gracious enough to let me grab his headlights. Those are my old ones. And we have the lasers on mine over there. So this is day 2 of owning the M4. So day 1, we dropped it, we lowered it. Shout out to Frank. And day 2, we're doing headlights, the coating of the trunk, the close by itself from the button, as well as some more interior light colors. Sheesh.
Day 2, you know, day 2.
Day 2. Day 2, you already know. How we looking? How we looking?
Coming out good.
There we go. There we go.
About to be dialed in.
And just like that, day 2 is done. The new headlights, the new grille, the new brake ducts, the new lower splitter looks so fire. Here's how it looked before. Yuck.
I'm back again. I know a lot of y'all thought I was coming back.
This is day number 4, and we are back yet again. We're at, you already know, No Swirl Garage. Doing the taillights and the spoiler today. My boy Carlos is over here tinting this beautiful M2. This M2 has what, 40 miles on it? Not 40,000, 40, like the number after 39. Anyway, check him out. All right, chat, so we bought 2 wings.
Let me know which one y'all like the best, all right? The wing currently on the car is small and black.
What did he say?
It barely comes off the trunk. So I bought two aftermarket ones. So this one is the same style as the one on the car, but comes up more off the back of the trunk, and it's carbon fiber. That joint is sweet, but it's very common. This one over here, I don't know what it's called. The V-brace style one, I think. But anyway, this would sit like this and kind of rise off the car and have this unique, I don't know, dip in the middle, pretty much. And this is carbon fiber as well. Almost forgot to mention that the reason why I'm picking carbon fiber instead of the regular black one is because the roof of the car, the entire roof, is carbon fiber. The entire thing is carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, Carson's flyers, Cabron's fibers, cars for hire, crabs on fire.
All right, so we got this side. Now be mindful, this middle part is already in on this side. So don't mind that part. But then we got this side. So this is the old side. And then we got the new side. Bro, that joint look tough. They're wrapping a X7 back there. Should I take the X7 to get it wrapped? If I were to get the X7 wrapped, and right now it's Dravid Gray, beautiful color, what color should I wrap the X7? In the comments, put it below. I'm thinking red. It's like, no, I'm joking. I ain't definitely not red. But satin gray, maybe. Let me know in the comments. My guys over here are hard at work. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. A thorough job.
I had to show my boy how it's done.
That's right. Womp womp. Here we go, y'all. The final product. Put some heat on it real quick with that little blowtorch. There we go. Sheesh. Bro, that joint is too tough. Too tough. A whole new back end. The lights, the wing. Bro, it's like that. It is like that. Put your thoughts in the comments. Do y'all like this new wing and these new taillights, or the original wing and the original taillights, or like a mix? Let me know, because it ain't too late. We still got them over there, so let me know. Appreciate it, bro. Yes, sir. Have a good one, man.
You too, man.
So this ends day 4. Tomorrow's day 5. We're going to my other boy's shop to get the front mount installed. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're back. It's day 5. I'm here with my boy Frank.
Yes,
from
sir.
GG Built. We are at the lab. We got a bunch of stuff. Like, obviously this one. We got this one, the secret sauce, some more secret sauce. So today we are installing the what?
IRL mid pipe.
The IRL mid pipe. Okay, stay tuned. Back on the lift again. Day 5. It's about that time, y'all. Mid pipe is going in. A one-man show. One-man army right here. Almost there. It's stock, I swear. Yeah, it's stock.
For sure.
We are almost done. We got the exhaust almost up.
After a not so brief struggle.
Right. The final changes.
And stay tuned because we might have one extra mod going on today that was unplanned. But Frank convinced me to get one more thing, so we will see. Single mid pipe is installed. We did not start it yet, so I'll let y'all see the first start. But we are doing, for the surprise, it was a XHP TCU flash. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and I think stage 3 plus, maybe even. So I'm going with the stage 3. We just bought it. It was what? How much?
$550.
$550. So not too bad. And yeah,
You can spend on these
Yep.
$550.
exactly right. All right, y'all, we are going to do the first start. All right, bro, go. Hopefully the camera picked that up, but it sounds good in person, believe me. The mic doesn't do it justice. Yeah, no, this new trans tune feels crazy.
Yeah. Best $550 you could ever spend.
Bruh, it's nuts.
And you don't need anything unlocked.
And I literally thought this car could not get better. Like,
Yep.
and it's still stock. Technically,
Yep.
it's still stock.
Stock flash.
All right, I'm telling everyone in the DMV I'm stock. I'm DMV stock.
There you go.
Hey, yo! This joint moving. This joint is moving.
That 22-degree air helps too.
Yeah. Bro, I cannot wait to unlock this.
Yeah.
Oh my God. And put it on port? Bro,
Whole different
stupid.
car.
Frank was kind enough to offer to take me in a ride in the burgundy one. Now that burgundy one is what?
It's just MHD OTS stage 2.
Okay.
Stock downpipes. Waiting to do it all at the same time to get in the Doc Race single kit. Maybe this weekend, maybe in 2 months. We'll see.
Man, all right, here we go. So this one is a 2023. So this one actually, 24. Oh, my bad.
Put some respect on my name.
I don't know if there's any difference. But
This is a 2024. So this one has the dual screens. Bro, I love this. This is on my X5.
I actually didn't like it when I first started working on these things.
Really, I like it.
I actually liked that style better for a while because
Yeah.
it's just so much.
Yeah,
But now that I'm used to it, though, I love it.
bro, I love it. Yeah, my X5M has the same exact thing, and I like it a lot better. Uh-oh.
Oh, I got rolling anti-lag too. Hold that one button now.
Bruh, peep the sunglasses.
Hey! Yo! 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 Hold up. So you got rolling anti-lag off the shelf?
Yep.
Bro,
Yeah, you can
what?
split MHD. You really don't need it on stock turbos. It's cool to have.
Yo,
You can
that's
change the boost target too from like 10 to like 16 pounds, I think. I think mine's like 14.
yo,
Really, but you're like these things wake up so fast.
bro.
Like,
I am sold. I might ship my ECU out like literally over the snowstorm, like tomorrow. Oh nah,
yeah,
oh nah, bro.
huge difference.
Listen, if you're out there and you think your stock car is faster than a stock G80 or G82, hit me up because I guarantee you, with a tune, it's over with. Oh, and this ain't even E.
Nope.
This is
Okay.
93. This,
93.
bro, this is Costco gas.
Yep, literally the basic of the basic.
Bro, that's nuts. But anyway, if y'all like that video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.